All you need to make sugar skulls is a mixing bowl, meringue powder,
and sugar and water.
First, you get 10 pounds of sugar and put it in a mixing bowl. Then you have to mix it up together with your hands dry. Make sure not to spill it like we're doing. We're spilling it, but it's by mistake. Sorry, we went overboard. Make sure you use a bigger bowl next time. We should have got a bigger bowl. No!
Oh my god, it's messy.
I know it's so messy. Next, we need 7 tablespoons of water.
No, let me do it. Let me.
4.
And 6.
5 and 7. Okay, Selena. We're going to mix it around now. Selena, do you have another hand?
Yeah.
Okay. Sister, can you give me a hand?
Yes.
Not that kind of hand. Well, it is a hand, but not a skeleton hand. Am I going to have to mix with this?
Yes.
Oh, no.
I make you statue.
Yes, you're making sugar skull filling. You want to make sure that the sugar is wet, like wet sand, and when you squeeze it, it sticks together like this. For the amount we made, we can make 40 medium ones. One for the front and one for the back. Or 10 large ones. You have to pack it very tightly like me. Make sure you get a piece of cardboard to scrape off the remains like this. Get the same piece of cardboard and hold it on the back. Now you're going to hold this tightly and flip it over. And then you're going to lift it up and put it on the side to dry. Make sure you let it dry for 8 to 10 hours. All you need to make royal icing is a mixing bowl, powdered sugar, meringue powder, water, and food coloring. But also don't forget to get piping bags and piping tips. 2 pounds of powdered sugar. Half a cup of meringue powder. 2/3 cups of water. Mix it with the electric heater. Make sure you make your frosting thick, not watery. Make sure you glue the front and the back with royal icing. Make sure you add in food coloring. This is the fun part where you start decorating. Just get creative with it. Once you finish decorating your sugar skull, you put it on the altar or ofrenda.